Hey everyone, exciting news from Apple. Today, they've just dropped the developer beta 5 for iOS 18.1, and it looks like a public release might be coming sooner than we expected. Let's dive into what's new and when you can get your hands on it. So, iOS 18.1 is rolling out quickly, especially since the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro launched without the much-anticipated Apple Intelligence feature. That means we could see the final version drop in the next couple of weeks. First up, if you're downloading Beta 5, expect a file size between 800 megabytes to a gigabyte. Mine was about 840 megabytes. Now, let's check the build number. It ends in an E, which usually hints at a couple more betas before the official release. Now, onto the cool new features. When you launch the Messages app, you'll see a fresh splash screen showcasing new message summaries and smart replies. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, Control Center is getting some love too. There are now separate toggles for Wi-Fi and VPN, making it super easy to manage your connections. Plus, if you ever mess up your Control Center layout, there's a new reset option. Finally, if you've got the iPhone 16, you'll love this. There's a new selfie mode in the camera settings. Now you can easily switch between all the camera options, including the front-facing one. Now, when can you expect iOS 18.1 to hit your device? Historically, Apple releases updates around mid to late October, but since the new iPhones launched without Apple Intelligence, thanks for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more updates. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.